What's up, guys? It's DBLNicks, and welcome back to Fortnite Chapter 2, Season 2. And today, I just completed all my challenges. So, now it is up to my dear friend Brutus to make a very daunting decision, a very insane decision, a decision that will affect the fate of the map. The very Fortnite map as we know it. So, let's see what choice he makes, shall we? Alright. So... well. Okay. Is there anything else we can mess with in here? Let's see. There's Brutus. Now, there's two paths that our dear friend Brutus can go down. Shadow. And if he goes down the Shadow path, he has to steal the security plans from the rig, the Yacht, the Shark, and deliver them to Shadow. But if he chooses Ghost, he has to do the same exact thing, except deliver them to Ghost. This is a very interesting question. What do we choose? What to choose? What to choose? I don't know, ladies and gentlemen, although it does seem like a bit more of a Shadow guy. He seems a bit more like a bad guy than a good guy. So, our first man, Brutus, will he join Shadow or Ghost? Because, I mean, he could do pretty good for a Ghost guy, too. Well, let's see, our dear friend Brutus is going to choose this one. Alright. So now we shall steal the security plans from the rig, the Yacht, or the Shark, and deliver them to Shadow. So, without further ado, let's go, boys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here's the plan. We're going to go from the Yacht, take the plans from the Yacht, and bring them to the mailboxes in Steamy Stacks. So, that's pretty much the plan. So, let's get into it. Let's do it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are on the Yacht. We're at the Yacht. And before we get to the Yacht, we're going to have to stock up on some weapons. Otherwise, we won't stand a chance against those pesky little ghost boys. So, what are we going to do? Well, for starters, we're gonna get a med kit and a gun. That's all we really need, right? So, there they are. That pesky little ghost ship. Now, where could those plans be? Let's steal those pesky security plans, shall we? There we go. We don't need to be here any longer than we already have to. Pesky security plans, huh? Bye. That was good. Now that we have stolen those security plans, ladies and gentlemen, let's go find those mailboxes in Steamy Stacks. Because I know there's a Shadow one and a Ghost one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are right at the Shadow mailbox. The Shadow mailbox is right here, so I'm going to give the items to Shadow. And now, we are members of Shadow. So let's go and check it out. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. The one, the only, Brutus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you guys want to see more. Also, ladies and gentlemen, I will be streaming on Thursdays and Fridays between the hours of 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on Saturdays and Sundays I normally start streaming at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I end between the hours of 8 and 12. So that's pretty much it. It's DBLNicks. Love you guys, and I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.